Hey guys, it's Shelly. Welcome back to Clean Green Being. If it's your first time here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. If you don't mind, before you leave, hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below, I would greatly appreciate it. And lastly, if you find the information in today's video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. Okay, so today's video is definitely different from all of my previous videos that I have been posting. If you follow us on Instagram, you may have seen me post different sustainable and eco-friendly outfits. So not only am I into safe and natural beauty and skincare, I'm also into different ways to include more sustainable practices into my life. And fashion is a really great opportunity. There's a lot of options out there so that you can reduce textile waste. And what I mean by textile waste is essentially all of the clothes that we buy, never wear once, and just kind of donate and or throw it away, and it literally just sits in the landfill. So in effort to kind of reduce my impact and contribution to textile waste, I tried to get a little bit creative and think of different ways that I can still wear the clothes that I like to wear, but also not contribute to the amount of clothes that are sitting in our landfill each year. I do like to purchase clothing from a variety of eco-friendly clothing brands, some of which include Synergy, Amour Vert, things like that. However, another option that I've come across has been actually clothing subscription services. And this is sustainable because you are able to rent items, wear them however many times you'd like, send them back, and then they are upcycled so that other people can wear them as well. I know some people get a little bit weirded out by wearing used clothing. However, that personally does not bother me because I have access through these subscriptions to so many new brands and styles that I've never tried before, and I'm not hesitant to try them because I'm not purchasing those items for full price. I'm able to rent them, wear them, and send them back and get a whole new group of clothing. It is really exciting. So as of lately, I have subscribed to 2 different clothing subscription services, one of which is Rent the Runway. So you may be familiar with Rent the Runway. You can rent dresses for weddings and things like that, which I've done in the past. However, they now have a subscription service to where you can rent 4 or plus items that you can keep as long as you'd like, and then whenever you're finished, you can send it back and select 4 or more items to replace that. What I really love about Rent the Runway is that they come, at least my package came in this reusable fabric bag instead of plastic. I think that is really amazing. So that is very eco-friendly. So today I thought it would be fun to try out 3 gowns that I have picked out for an upcoming black tie event. I picked out 3 options and I thought it would be fun to kind of unbox them and model them for you today. I am actually wearing one of the other options. It's not for the black tie event, but it is a dress that I got through Rent the Runway, which I will also model for you. It's kind of like a more casual summer dress that you can wear to the office or a picnic or baby shower, bridal shower, things like that. So if you're interested in sticking around to see the items that I have chosen from Rent the Runway for my upcoming black tie event, then go ahead and keep on watching.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. but I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. 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 She'll never know.
All right, so that completes the first 4 items that I have selected from my Rent the Runway subscription, and wow, these dresses are so gorgeous. It's really going to be difficult for me to make a decision. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite option is, and if you have had any experience with Rent the Runway and their subscription plan. I think the clothes came in really great condition. I know some people have had bad experiences with Rent the Runway. However, so far in my first group of clothing that I've picked, they are in great condition. And again, I don't mind wearing used clothing, especially because I know it's being upcycled and I am contributing and giving back to the environment by not buying so many clothes that just often sit in my closet and then just get donated and then end up in a landfill there. So again, let me know in the comments down below what your experiences are. I also have a clothing subscription with Armoire Style. I just received my first case, so I plan on doing a little modeling video for you as well, so you can see kind of some of the items that are available to you. They are very high-end designers, as you have seen today, so you have the opportunity to wear really expensive clothing that you wouldn't normally be able to afford. At least I'm not able to afford. So it is just fun to try out new styles that you typically wouldn't wear, and I think it's just a really fun concept, and it is very affordable. I think the Rent the Runway subscription plan is like $150 a month. I know everybody's budget is different. However, in terms of clothing subscriptions, that is a pretty fair price. All right, so with that being said, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to view today's video. I really appreciate your viewership. Clean Green Being has new uploads every Sunday and Wednesday, and sometimes I like to throw in little bonus uploads, so be sure to keep an eye out for those. And to do that, be sure you have clicked the subscribe button and also the bell notification icon below so that you can be notified of all of our future uploads, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.
Look out, here she comes.